Here we have a Toyota 4Runner interior cargo rack kit with a rear window Molle panel provided by Hookeroad.com. This kit is compatible with 2010 to 2024 Toyota 4Runners. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. The product weight is about 53 pounds. So here we're going to go ahead and start your install. We have your rear panel here, driver's side. You want to remove this one, and this one here. Right, first we're going to go ahead and uninstall that bolt there, size 10. Then we're going to uninstall this. That's just a screw, Phillips screw. And one more Phillips screw. Once that's removed, we want to go ahead and repeat on the passenger side. Next, we're going to go ahead and add these EVA foam pads to these metal pieces. They all have adhesive on the back of them. The EVA foam strips help reduce the vibrations and noise from the cargo. Next, we're going to go ahead and get these screws ready, as they're going to go here. They 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need the bolt, and then your split washer, then your flat washer, and then your nut. And you need 3 of these, which go here. Again, you need your bolt, your split lock washer, flat washer, and then your nut. We're going to go ahead and screw on the first top bracket. And then we're just gonna put that on loosely. Then we're gonna go ahead and connect this bracket. All right, that's how it looks when they're both installed. Next, we go ahead and install this panel. Alright, that's everything here. Next, we're going to go ahead and repeat these steps on the passenger side. Okay, we're going to go ahead and use the original bolt for the top. So you're going to use the shorter nylon spacer here along with the shorter bolt. The longer nylon spacer here with the bolt. Here we have your longer screw and your nylon spacer. The shorter screw and your shorter nylon spacer. Then we go ahead and repeat these steps on the passenger side. Next, you get the shelf without the logo and your connecting bracket. You have your bolt, then your split ring washer, your flat washer, then your nut. All right, then we're gonna just lay it on top just like that. Then you have 3 screws that you want to put right here, and you tighten that into place. Then we go ahead and connect the passenger side here and have it held up by my shoulder. Okay, once we have those 3 bolts on top, we're gonna go ahead and put the other 3 bolts on this side to connect them together. Okay, so now we have those 3, these 3, these 3, and these 3 bolts in place. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take the bracket, push this up, and then lock it into place, and then put the 2 screws in. Do the same for the other side. Here's your interior cargo rack installed by Hookeroad.com. Here's your Molle panels, nice and sturdy. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. It has a high strength 14 gauge steel plate construction. This rack holds up to 60 pounds of cargo. Divide the trunk into 2 spaces for a clean and neat storage. It's a direct bolt-on installation. Place the panels around the rear window and align it to the factory mounting points. The cargo rack area measures about 50 inches wide. On top measures about 39.71 inches. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.